So I just refreshed Liv's colour and I'm just going to do some fun styling. So we're just going to do like a really like 70's, like flick out the front, like real shaggy. What is that, Liv? Is that right?
70's.
70's, yeah, definitely 70's.
Wow.
I've just used some texture, Mr. Fantastic, for some hold and some texture. And I'm just going to go in with my very small round brush. I need some new brushes. But I'm going to go in with my very small round brush to like really exaggerate it, because you know how it drops out so much. So I'll make it super curly to start with. This is all going to be brushwork today. So that's it. That's what we're showing today. So here I am. I'm so glad that I learnt this skill of how to do a round brush blow dry, because I used to do them all the time and I haven't done it for a really long time, but it's come back around. To do this though, your client needs to have lots of layers, which Liv has. She's got like a nice shag cut, and you can see I'm using like a really small round brush, and I'm just really exaggerating the rounding. I don't know what else to call it. And you can see here, like I'm going back and forth on the brush. I noticed that these days everyone does the kind of like twisty blow dry, but this more traditional technique of like wrapping the hair up in the brush and rolling it up is how you'll get this look to hold really well for you. So yeah, you can just watch how I do that. Definitely need to hook myself up with some new tools. Oh wait, Liv's gonna get that lid for me. Today I'm using the Evo products actually for a change, which is fun. And we've coloured Liv's hair with the Evo Staino. So cool. The blue and copper, who would have thought? Oh yeah, see here, I really need to get myself some new tools to like secure that brush in. Anyway, sometimes you have to make do, right? So at the back, I just round up to the occipital, how do you say it? Occipital bone, something like that. And then once I get to that, I start rounding under. Yeah. So that's all. Little trending blowout for you. Don't forget, guys, to follow us on Instagram at Blush Girl Salon, and if you want to talk to me personally, you can follow my page at Love Blush Girl. And also we have a podcast, and you should go listen if you're a salon owner.